5:30.
Huckleberry and Wildberry in here.
Alright everyone, there's the finished Buffalo Chicken Ranch Pizza. I can't wait to review it.
Howdy Outlaws! Welcome back to my show. If you're a fan of my content and I am making you hungry, consider smashing that subscribe button, clicking that notification bell, because every Saturday it's Outlaws Hideout, the show you guys like to watch. I'm here to try Papa Murphy's new Buffalo Chicken Ranch Pizza. Let's show you what Outlaw.
Here is the Buffalo Chicken Ranch Pizza. You got onions on there, chicken, ranch, buffalo sauce, and cheddar cheese in there. And this is from Papa Murphy's. This was $12.99. It's a pan pizza from Papa Murphy's. There we go. All right, guys.
So what's everyone's thoughts on it? All right, you guys can try this first. This is very messy. Here you go. All right, let's eat. Wow. I get that buffalo sauce there. The chicken is moist, tender. Get those vegetables in there, the onions, the green onions. The cheddar cheese, the regular cheese. I'm gonna eat this whole one and I'll give it a rating. The buffalo is like a 1 out of 5 for the frickin' if it's really spicy, because it's not. I'm gonna try the crust and give our thoughts. That is delicious. So an Outlaw's rating for the Buffalo Chicken Ranch. I forgot to mention there's bacon on the pizza as well, but I didn't say this in the review, but this was delicious. Let's get to that rating. Very flavorful with the pan pizza. Get that crunch. It's melted great. Great pizza from Papa Murphy's. An Outlaw's rating, I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5. It's delicious. So Outlaws, if you're at Papa Murphy's and have to order online, go there and try their new Buffalo Chicken Ranch Pizza, because this is really good. It's $12.99 for a pan pizza. You can get this like every Tuesdays, where they have those deals for like $12 for a large pizza at Papa Murphy's. But go there. You will like this. This is delicious. All right, guys. So at the end of this video, I'm going to recommend some good content for you. Rodimus. You can click on my video right here for the Foodie Federation Taco Collaboration. Click the round subscribe button to FTW Podcasts. Click the round subscribe to Outlaws Generation, and you can check out my patreon.com/Outlaws Generation. Well, that's it for the review. You can't review it until you taste it. Until next time, join us Outlaws' next food adventure. Realize Outlaws Generation out.